Hello and welcome to the Moving Market Podcast Weekly Recap. Looking back to last week, market momentum remains intact until Friday. Saw a little bit of volatility pickup surrounding tariffs on Europe, Mexico, and Canada. So we'll see with August 1st as a potential deadline, as we get to the weeks ahead, if there are trade agreements or that could produce some volatility ahead. Looking into this week, it's all about inflation and corporate earnings. We had some bank earnings out this morning, which look fairly strong as we get started. Again, second quarter trading, mergers and acquisitions have picked up, and the outlook for many of the big banks remains intact, so it should bode well going into the third quarter. And then you have consumer prices and producer prices out this week. Consumer prices this morning looked fairly strong from the perspective of inflation easing of the fifth month of relatively good inflation readings. On the other hand, the Federal Reserve is concerned about potential increases with tariff threats in the months ahead. So we'll wait and see as the Federal Reserve meets toward the end of the month as they contemplate adjusting interest rates in the short term with the labor market easing. And again, looking in the next week, you'll get more of the breadth of the market to see what companies think about the future, and that'll really give some reading as to where investors should go with their money the second half of the year. I want to thank you, and we'll touch base next week.